Hello friends, today's topic, good news for Indians, best GDP at 8.2%. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As per the announcement made by the government statistical department, India's GDP grew by 7.8% in January-March 2024 quarter. The annual growth rate for financial year 2023-24 was 8.2%, and growth in the January-March 2024 period was lower than the 8.6% growth in the October-December 2023 quarter. Now India's GDP growth quarter-wise, April-June 2023 8.2%, July-September 2023 8.1%, October-December 2023 8.6%, January-March 2024 7.8%, full year 2023-24 8.2%. India's GDP growth yearly 2019-20 3.9%, 2021 minus 5.8%, 21-22 9.7%, 22-23 7%, 23-24 8.2%. Various indications for April such as automobile sales, housing loans and fuel consumption have indicated strong urban consumer demand. However, it is not clear whether rural demand will pick up after the expected above normal monsoons this year. Chinese economy grew at a rate of 5.3% in January-March period, and the US economy expanding at a rate of 1.3% in January-March quarter. There are signs of inflation falling, boosting expectations for good demand for Indian exports. Now sector-wise growth in 2023-24. Agricultural, forestry, fishing, growth rate in 2022-23 4.7%, growth rate in 23-24 1.4%. Mining and quarrying, growth rate in 2022-23 1.9%, growth rate in 2023-24 7.1%. Manufacturing, growth rate in 2022-23 minus 2.2%, growth rate in 2023-24 9.9%. Financial, real estate, professional services, growth rate in 2022-23 9.1%, growth rate in 2023-24 8.4%. Construction, growth rate in 2022-23 9.4%, growth rate in 2023-24 9.9%. Trade, hotels, transport, growth rate in 2022-23 12%, growth rate in 2023-24 6.4%. These good GDP figures had been reported yesterday evening after market hours. On Monday, the markets will react to this positive news on the economy. The markets will also react to the exit polls results, which will be released by various agencies today evening, that is Saturday evening. The RBI's balance sheet size went up by 11.08% to rupees 70.48 lakh crores as of March 31st, 2024. This is nearly 2.5 times that of Pakistan's entire GDP of close to 28.22 lakh crores. Currently, India is the fastest growing major economy in the world. PM Modi commented on the good GDP figures by stating that the economic growth is due to hardworking people of our country. He said that this is just a trailer of the things to come. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman appreciated the economic growth and specially noted that the manufacturing sector witnessed a significant growth of 9.9% in 2023-24, highlighting the success of the Modi government's efforts for the sector. She was confident that the India's growth momentum will continue in the third term of PM Modi-led government as well as showing confidence in retaining power. We need to observe the exit poll results today evening and then the actual results on Tuesday. Markets will be volatile next week and analysts are expecting significant movement on either side depending on the election results. End of the video, here is the question. On 4th June, Tuesday, voting counting day, what do you expect for the Nifty? There are 4 choices for you to type. A, more than positive 2%, B, 0 to 2%, C, minus 2 to 0%, D, more than a fall of 2%. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, This is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.